Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to force restart iPhone 5C. If you are using an iPhone 5C and now you want to make a force restart of your phone, so let's see how can you do this. First, you have to follow a method which is you have to quickly press the volume up and then volume down and then the power button. I repeat it again. Press and release the volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button. So let's do this. First volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the power button until your screen has been fully blacked and Apple logo won't show. Just press and hold it, and here you can see the screen has been fully blacked and the Apple logo had been shown. Now release it, and you just have to put it here. And after that, that's how you can make a force restart of your iPhone 5C. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.